So there's been some changes to the client profile, and I wanted to jump in and go over them with you and see how you can use these changes to communicate more effectively with your clientele base. Let's jump into it. What you're looking at here is the client profile page. This is for me, Alex Dyer, my contact information. This is my private contact information. You can see I have myself as a buyer, a seller, and an agent, and you can change these statuses around by just clicking on them. I have some hashtags in here, so I'm included in different groups. I do a lot of KV Core training, and so I include myself in the group so I can see that training go out. Summary of homes that I've looked at, whether or not I have the app, validation you can run, ownership of it. If you're running a real estate team through KV Core, this is where the ownership and assignability comes in. And if you want to know more about that, just let me know. But let's get in and let's look at this right here. Last chat a day ago. Well, this is new. I haven't seen this before. And this is related directly to the home ownership app. I did a video on that yesterday. In here, it's this app that you can send the invite, send it through email or text, and your clients can now download this. I'm going to do a mass text to my clientele base with that link so that they can download. So that's the new feature. Now, instead of just having phone calls, text messages, and emails, we now have this app, and the app shows up once they download it, the notifications show up on the app, and it's another way of communicating. I think it's really cool. I'm going to push it out to my clientele base and get as many people to sign up for it as I can, because I just want to be able to communicate more effectively, and that's a cool feature that KV Core has now added. So I hope you like this content. If you do, give me a thumbs up, follow me, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.